Hello friends, do you know that 90% of the startups fails? But the one that succeed all have only one thing in common. They adopt fast. And that's where the Agile methodologies come in. So let's see what Agile is. Nowadays, startups face unique challenges of limited resources, high uncertainty, and Agile offers them flexibility and speed and customer focus. Do you know that 60% of the Agile projects succeed compared to only 30% traditional waterfall projects? That's what the Agile is more used today in today's dynamic world. So what is the startup dilemma? Why traditional methods fail? First of all, waterfall methods are rigid. They are slow and they are documentation heavy. They are unsuitable for fast changes, rapid changes. However, Agile is not. And startups need speed today. Quick adoption to market shift is essential. Knowledge is everywhere and the market is moving with a fast speed. So startups has to adopt as per the need of the time. Third is the changing requirement. 29% of the project fail due to unmet evolving needs. And that's the biggest disgrace today. So what Agile do is, it embraces change. It delivers value faster. It helps us to go to the market even faster. We follow an iterative cycle model in this is Agile methodologies. We have shorter sprints that enables frequent delivery and adjustment during the project development. We always have continuous feedback from the customer so that we can fulfill the customer's requirement in a more satisfying way. The core values of Agile are collaboration with the customer, simplicity of its project, and continuous improvement. The key Agile framework for startups are Scrum, where we define roles for events for organizing sprints. We may use Kanban also. Kanban is nothing but a visualization work and a limit that limits the task in progress. And third one is the lean startup, where we build, measure, and learn. Then this loop, build, measure, learn, promotes faster learning and a faster development. So what are the benefits? So benefit number one is adaptability and speed. We can respond to the market changes in a very fast way, in a faster market dynamics. It is easy to pivot and there is less waste in Agile methodologies. Agile enables startups to react twice as fast and change easily. This helps us to reduce the waste by a huge amount and that is needed in startups. Benefit number two is customer-centric development. There is a customer feedback that is being implemented in Agile methodologies. We release our product early with MVPs, and normally in Agile development there is a higher satisfaction rate among the customers. Ongoing feedback and frequent releases increase customer satisfaction by more than 30% in development. So how to implement these Agile practices now? So what are the practical steps? I suggest starting out small. Begin with a pilot project to learn and adapt as per the conditions. Then train your team. Equip staff with Agile methodologies and most important is the mindset that they should have. You must use Agile tools more frequently. You can use Agile tools like Jira or Trello for workflow progression. So what are the Agile, how the Agile is fueling the startup success? Basically, Agile is trying to achieve the rapid growth of the startups, which is required for the startups. We deliver value in the faster paced environment and we embrace the changes as per the customer's need. So Agile powers a startup by fostering adaptability, customer focus and fast expansion. And that's what our startups need for the day. So this was all. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more of such videos. Thank you.